I think this is round 6. I think it is 5, 6. But anyways, yeah, 56th annual. Had some ice cream. It's very good. $7. It's good. So, ice cream is really good. All volunteers there. Just have chocolate and vanilla. So, well worth it. Nice and cold and refreshing. That's nice. That's a cool one right here. There's a lot of these around. 64 from Stillwater. Classic. But people wouldn't look at that twice. Maybe it would be cool, but they wouldn't climb up for it. The GTOs are kind of cool. Those are nice. All the Mopars. There you go. Another Chevy. 64 Pal SS. Very nice. Yeah, yeah. The SSs are nice. Big cruisers they have here. Just huge. Cruise around those bad boys. What is this? Rebel? Might be a, I don't know if it's a, let's see what it is.
Grandpa Layton sold those.
I don't know. Oh, it's a Ranchero. Kind of got small as it went along. Very nice. Very small. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. That's a cool vehicle. Yeah, they got a ton of people here and a ton of cars. So let's go over here. Messy vehicle. Shame on you. He's wearing Crocs. He's wearing Crocs that have high heels. I've never seen that before. Huh? Crocs with high heels. You're okay. That big bad boy. Oh my. 55. Go Canada. Chevy Del Rey, nice. I've never seen one of those before. Interesting. I didn't know. I've never heard that town before. Huh? Eagle Cafe, nice. See, you just kind of walk around. There's a lot of hidden crevices. You walk around, you can see different vehicles back in here. 48 Dodge sedan, fluid drive engine, flathead 6, nice. Some guys are cool and they have all this stuff you can look at. Look at them. Interesting. It's the biggest Dodge ever built, biggest car for your money. Nice. 1940 luxury liner. Yep. These are heavy. 1940. Suicide doors. Oh yeah. See, I mean, people kind of look at it. I think it's kind of cool. You don't see art. It's good to see those old ones out here. That's a nice Chevy. Here's a Ford. Back to the 50s, street rods. Nice. Very nice. That thing over there, 4-door. I like these old, the 60s. What is it? Couldn't tell you which one this one, what year this is, but it's kind of very interesting. 1964 Ford, 250. It's a bad boy. Look at this bad boy. 53. Very nice. It's a big dog right there. The memory of Steve Bush, 2023. All right. Look at this, yellow and green fenders. Yeah, this is a big show. People come from. I had a guy in my video, I don't know, maybe 6-7 years ago. He's from Florida. He drove up. He goes, I don't trailer the bad boy. He goes, it's not a trailer queen. Newgate School, I know they do this. Nice. 15,000. Best offer. It's a 4-door. It's a Bel Air. Look at this big bad boy right here. For sale. Chevelle, 30,000. Oh my. Look at that bad boy. And that one right there.
35? Third class. We had that show down at
Golden Valley Classic Car Club. Nice. 1943, I guess it is. There it is. Put the top down, bro. Live a little. It's a nice one right here. I don't know why you wouldn't have the top down. Very nice. Huh. Old Flame. Go, Johnny, go. I love the 60s trucks. That's how they kind of morphing into them. These were the old ones too. Those are kind of cool. Ah, the old Woodies.
He's like, "Mom." Okay? Give me 3 minutes now. That's
Well, there's a hat lady. There's a nice wagon right there.
walk back right up. He's like, no.
Gotta get the camera out. You gotta cruise this way, away from the music. Because if we don't, we get screwed. We'll go over here. We'll get away from that music over there. There's a bunch more vehicles over here, so anyway, so. I like that. Yeah, so. I don't know if you can kind of hear it or not, but as long as it doesn't pick up too bad. So. Oh, then I get right over here and it gets me anyways. Oh no. Oh well, it's too bad. I got the shaft, but I got cranked up so loud that you can get picked up by anything. So there you go. 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 Goodness. It's a nice green. Oh, that bad boy right there. Nice Corvette. Yeah, you can just sit here all day long, look at different vehicles. That one's pretty, low rider like that. I don't know about that, man. A little too low for the cowboy. That's an old school Chevelle right there. You haven't seen one of those before. A long time. Biscayne, another one. Biscayne is another rare one. Yep. Shamrock delivery, nice.
with this son.
Look at that. Nice. Another nice one. Tops down. Looks nice. It's 1943 Studebaker. 1949, excuse me. Mercury. The Chevy wagon over there. Another convertible over here. They have all kinds of stuff here. I think it's nice. Going for a ride, man. It's interesting right here. I've seen a few of these at gee, I love the snub nose. These are rare right here. Very, very rare. For sale, GMC cab over 33K. Nice. I mean, I think it's cool, but some people wouldn't really care. You have a place to put it. Love the interior. Oh my God. Nice.
Yeah, thank you.
You don't see a lawn like this anymore.
I know, right? They're just not.
There's a guy, I saw a guy on Route 56 had a whole scrapped whole like a bunch of trucks like these there
Okay.
on Route 56. Whole bunch. That's a nice one there too as well. You come with me in the car and we go for a ride?
Is that it?
Go. My body's always monetized. And that's for you from the back. One engine. Interesting. And you got these wagons over here. Look at these bad boys. Look at this. Look at these two bad boys. This one is, I like that GMC. That was a cool vehicle. But anyways, let's move on to something more substantial. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.